welcome back to my channel. So today we're at Target and we're going to be looking at slime and squishies at the dollar spot. We just did a video at Michael, so make sure you go check that out. And let's go to the dollar spot. I've been here, it's a Target.
This is a different Target. The other Target we went to was Tempe Marketplace. This is a different one.
Oh yeah, we were doing our slime public the other day. Yesterday. But look at these cute little things. It says Happy Halloween. We usually get the light ones like this, but this one's like a fuzzy ball leaf.
Oh, that's cute.
We're just like leaving the station, but we found this one is. But look at this cute emoji thing. It comes in
little
a pouch,
highlighters,
erasers, clips, pencils, pen, a ruler, and a notebook, and then this cute unicorn pencil bag. And it's real cute.
and then more fidget spinners.
Yeah, a lot of fidget
Raina has a lot of fidget spinners too that she never reviewed.
Oh, this one comes with a little pencil pouch.
Raina loves little notebooks.
Oh, look at this. You say smile. It's that emoji. But let's keep it going. I found some of these little cat things. These are at the other ones too. At the other one there was slime.
And fidget
See, look at it. It says slime right here, guys. No, I think it's sold out. Maybe someone like put some out.
slime.
So hopefully they still have it, but
That's gone.
we can still look at the Halloween stuff, guys.
And Raina lost our whole bag of slime that we got at Target from the other store.
So we need to find it. But look at these cute little pins. These patches.
Those patches are really cute. I like them.
And then you can DIY something. Oh, a witch hat.
Ooh, a tutu. This will fit Maria, I bet. Or Dora. Ooh, you can make your own costume here. Look at that. Matches those socks. Be a witch.
Oh, this
with the
doesn't
hat.
match. Is there a green hat? That don't match better. Oh, and then look at it. Your dog can match you.
Be a witch.
Okay, let's keep on looking. These little fuzz balls here. These are expensive. They're $15 at. I don't even know what it's called. We got our backpack, the mini backpack holographic one. Oh, but here's these cute glitters. I always have cute fall.
This is fall. I love fall. I love fall. Guys.
Here's what are these called? These are $1 and
Oh, and we had those too in that bag.
Oh yes, we picked out ones and I was like, why didn't you get this one? And she got a whole bunch of cute ones.
We had 2 of those in that bag
We need to
too.
find that bag, guys. Do our versus slime and everything. Look at these things you can hang up. We say Happy Halloween. Which is out. Which is in, I'm pretty sure. Yes. Yes. There's socks down here. Let's see. Anything else?
And there's those bowls that they got at the other store.
We were looking for a whole bunch of stuff. The only thing we had was napkins and plates. So
we're gonna go look at the toys real quick.
and then some Halloween stuff too. So I'll see you guys there. Guys, we found these cute onesies. So look at My Little Pony, and then like a unicorn, and then another unicorn because you guys know we love unicorns.
And then we're gonna get this one for my Dora.
This one for Dory, Strawberry Kiss because she loves Shopkins. So let's go try these on and we'll see how these look. So we're here in the toys and I have a Nickelodeon slime kit and look at these cute things. So this is the mix and mash. This is what's it called? Slime King or something. Compound Kings. I love this slime and we didn't even reveal it, but yeah. But look at this glitzy slime, fluffy slime, and 2 neon slimes. And then it comes with all these glitters that you can mix in them. And this one comes with silver glitzy slime. We have one of these, I think, but it's just like a little one. It's a glitzy one. Fluffy, and then another 2 neons.
They have a candy.
Look at this cute candy maker, soap maker.
And then we have
A
this.
slime lab. What's this?
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I'm trying to
Do you want me to get it for you?
It's a slime lab. That's cute. I never seen that before. But look at it. Really, it comes with goggles. Yes, guys, need to be protected when you make slime. But look how cute it is. Let's get a thumbnail. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so look at it. It comes with this cute little station, and then you just spot for everything and make some slime.
Oh, Raina, this is a series. It says series 1.
Oh, so there's gonna be more. That is cool, guys.
It says series 1.
But yeah, they have some slime sim toys. There's not like other stuff. We could check right now for Shopkins squishies, but actually we just checked. They didn't have them. But we're gonna be going to the.
Right here, the Shopkins is nothing.
Yeah, there's nothing here. There's nothing. I think the Shopkins squishies are at Walmart, so I want to go there right now and check maybe later because I'm gonna get groceries and stuff. Anyways, But yes, let's go to, oh wait, Pick Me Palm surprises are so cute, guys. Where are they? They're not even here, but this is the display for them. They come with the cute little stuffed animal, everything, but there's like Shopkins here, guys. But yes, let's go to the Halloween stuff. So here's the Halloween stuff, and let's start looking around, guys.
Oh my gosh, this little skeleton's $3, really? Mini skeleton.
These are bendable. Oh, here's the party favorite. So if they had some like slime or anything, it would probably be down here. Look at these pumpkin decorators. Look, you can make it into a pumpkin. Make a puppy into a pumpkin. Pumpkin puppy. Oh, you can hang this on the wall. The felt sticks together. These are some cute games. Yes, guys. Yes, those are real cute, guys. And let's see what else there is. Slime. Yes, girl, slay. We found, oh, this is alien slime. Look at these aliens in here. That's cool. So there's 12 in here for $3.
Did we see this before?
No, we never seen that. So that's a new one.
That's so cute.
There's little aliens in there. Oh, yes, girl, slay. $1 slime. And these ones have little snakes and stuff.
Yes, girl, slay.
Yes, slay. There's orange, yellow. There's some blue, pink, greenish. Look at these ones are like chemicals. Oh, she found a purple one. But yes, these are only $1. So it's cheaper than the little tubes. So we can add these to our verses since we lost the other ones, but we still need to find the other ones. But yes, cool, guys. There's like 3 new slimes here. It doesn't go on the like silly string. These silly strings I heard you can use to make slime, so we still gotta test that out for our $1 slime thing.
Party favors. This is cute stuff for like
for our party or party favor bag, party bags. My party, your party. But they're cute things, guys. Like this, tattoos. I was gonna say bubbles. Oh yeah, bubbles. But let's go and see some more stuff. So look at these cute things. So this one's like on fire, a pinwheel, I think it's called. Here's Frankenstein, and I don't even know who that is.
Hate me.
They hate
Like others.
There's a Frankenstein head. It's just trying me. Oh, is this Frankenstein? Because he doesn't have the bolts. Wait.
This is a candy serving tray.
Oh, that's cute, guys.
And you put your candy inside.
Yes, girl. That looks cool.
This is breaking.
It's breaking. Oh, his eyes are rolling.
Frankenstein.
Then where's your bolts? I'm just kidding.
Are you?
I'm right now. He's rolling his eyes at me, guys. Smush you. Just kidding. I'm being rude now. Oh. We put our stuff in this pumpkin to carry it. Because my Kushi left us.
She went outside.
And I told you guys these pumpkins are cheaper than at Walgreens. It's only $1. We already had one at the home though.
Don't put everything out. We're not buying another pumpkin. Granny got real happy when he seen that pumpkin too. So does that for me?
Did you give it to him?
I just said it's mine. Is that for me or is that Dana's or yours? Or Maria?
We get these for trick-or-treating. I think we got them last year, but we usually just take bags. Like, well, they don't have any like right now, but just like bags. I want to have spooky Halloween. My mom said spooky Halloween or cute Halloween. Like cute Halloween, she's talking about like kind of
Like that.
cute. But for spooky Halloween, like that Frankenstein and everything, that's like spooky. I mean, this is kind of cute too. Oh, this is actually cute. I know it's not spooky, but this is like a cute decoration. These party props are cute. Oh, here's this stuff. It's my birthday, but we can put Happy Halloween up. Yes, girl. There's napkins. See, guys, why do they never have bowls here? They only have plates and napkins. Pretty random. And over there, too, like, there's only plates and napkins. Like,
Walk over there and watch those eyes talk to you.
what eyeballs? What?
Are advised to stay indoors until daylight, preferably with
Daylight.
snakes and holy water.
Holy water. One time, remember?
The stuff is not really loud.
Oh, look, the crow came out.
That's a rat, Raina.
It's a crow.
It was a rat. Do it again.
Last year, guys, what was it? That icon coming on. Let's see. I hear it. You hear it.
Ooh, it's a crow. It looks like a rat.
Last year we pressed the button and the lights turned off because it was closing. And our last Halloween, not our last Halloween.
Yeah, last year was scary.
I know, and it turned off. This is loud.
Alright, well, let's go try these onesies on. This is the stuff we have so far. This is good, though. This is all new slime that we didn't get in our other Target haul.
And that could be anniversaries until we find that other slimes. Because we got to find those guys. Because those slimes are cute, but let's go find and try them.
Look at all these. Did you show all those?
What are they?
These big skeletons.
What didn't show us? I didn't see those.
Try that one.
Shake. Oh, his eyeballs just light up. That was nothing. What is this isn't gonna shake? Oh, that's weird. The tennis is
Ooh, I love
It makes
Halloween.
my eyes so they can start the red. What's the button on here? I think there's like a...
Oh!
Yes.
Oh, that's scary.
Oh, why does his neck do that? It's gonna be a hump neck, whatever it is. Oh, this one likes that too? It's over there.
Oh, that's cute.
there
A
was a
pumpkin. I like that one.
Here's
Well,
a
let's
ghost
see
of-
this one.
I hope this doesn't like glow or something. Or pop ahead again. Like, this one's not that creepy. Like there's a woman in here. What's this one doing? Oh, wow. Yeah.
Press it again, because that's how it turns off.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Do this last one.
Which one?
Oh,
Oh,
is it anything or no?
no, they just
Well, this one's just hanging around.
This one I'll just run
It's like a
into and
skeleton
go
ghost.
grab you.
Oh, look at those
Whoa.
cool.
Oh, jeez. Oh, that's cute for the table. Just put them all along.
I love skeletons.
Oh, wait, that's turns on. I think it shakes. Oh, that's $20?
They all seem the same.
Huh?
Help me. Look at these cool tombstones.
But these ones are like heavy, so.
Are they?
No! These are not heavy. Guys, these aren't. Why are these $25? I thought these were the actual. What's this lights up though?
Are those ones heavy? This one looks
Oh,
heavy.
She's not even heavy. Thanks. Her face is weird.
Stop. Are those heavy right now?
These aren't. Oh, these ones. How much is this one? Must be less than.
Those are all 25. This
oh yeah,
one?
this one's heavy.
This one's 30.
Why?
And then look at, they have that little one up there. It's 15.
This is really random. Just so random. That one's that one's heavy. See, but that one I don't understand. That one's really light. But
You
it's
stick these out of the ground.
they had this on display at the other Riverview. I mean not Riverview, but that's random. What's it called?
Tempe Marketplace Target.
Yes, but they don't have it on display here. But that one's really cool too.
And then we were trying to look at it, but when we were there, people kept looking at it. And then when we went back, they ran the battery out because it didn't work
No,
anymore.
it wasn't even working. But let's go try on these onesies and now. So here's the onesie. It's really saggy.
I think it's, no, that's cute.
Yeah, this
Put
one-
the hood on.
I don't like it though, because look at it. Let's do this then. That was a fail, but there's the hoodie. Or, hold on. Because look, if I leave my hair down, it does this. Oh. But then that one's 10-12, so let's try on that one, or that one's just large. So let's try on that one. And that was the My Little Pony one. So here's this one, and this one, I don't know, I like the bigger one better. This one's the like normal, my own size. Let's try them. The hoodie. This one looks kind of cute, I guess.
Let me see.
And I like this color too. But there's the hoodie.
It's
so
cute, but it's too tight.
just get a bigger size. I don't like. It looks normal, but
when it shrinks, I think. When it shrinks, when you dry it, I think it'll get tighter.
When I pulled it up though, because the legs look really look fine, but I'm too tall, I think, and it just got straight. So we're gonna be putting these back, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Actually.